Hello my friends, this is Sharon. In this video I'm going to show you how to shop on my Monat website. I want to make clear that I am here for you to help you figure out what you need for your hair or your skincare or wellness. We have hair care, skincare, and wellness products. And I have a couple of quizzes that I can take that I can make recommendations to you. And also I can create a shopping cart for you and email it to you, and you can look it over and decide if you want it and you follow through with the purchase. But I know a lot of people just want to kind of do their own shopping, and you know, I'm that way too. So I thought I would show you how to enroll yourself as a VIP. So on my website, just make sure that it is my site. It has my name and my pick in the upper left corner. And I want to call your attention to 3 tabs here. There's the Monat Quiz, the Join Now, and the Shop. The Shop is if you have already enrolled as a VIP customer. You can come back at any time to my website and shop there. The Monat Quiz, there's a couple of quizzes. I have my own quizzes. On my website, solutions by Gibson.net, solutions by Gibson.net, and I've got a hair quiz and a skin quiz, and I personally review the results of those and make recommendations to you as to what I believe that you need for your hair or your skin. But if you don't do that, please at least do the Monat Quiz for hair care instead of just going to the site and seeing all those shampoos and conditioners. There are about a dozen different shampoos and conditioners, and Monat products are highly specialized to target very specific issues. Those shampoos and conditioners are each very, very different from each other. So at the very least, be sure to take the Monat Quiz if you don't take my personal quiz. Okay, so take that quiz for hair care. Skincare I'm not so worried about. I feel like women, most of us pretty well know whether we have dry skin or oily skin. That's not, the skincare is not so complicated, but the hair care products are very specialized. So if you take the Monat Quiz here, it will send the results to your email, and then you can go back and shop. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enroll yourself as a VIP customer, assuming you've gotten your quiz results and you know what to get. Okay, so join now, and it's not going to let me do it on my own website too well, but you can be a retail customer, but you're going to save so much more and have so many more perks as a VIP customer that it's totally worth it. On my website, under the tab Why Be My VIP, you can review some of those things. You can see what your freebies are. But let's go ahead and enroll as a VIP, and it's going to pretend like it doesn't know who the market partner is. So put my name in there and search if this comes up, and there I am. So then go to shop, and at this point I don't think it's going to load for me, so I'm going to do this from my back office. Enroll VIP. So I'm making this video when there is actually a flash sale going on. So flash sales, we don't have them every week, but when we do, they are usually from Friday morning until Sunday night. And they're always so good, so very good. So I'm glad that there's one going on where I'm making this video so I can show you. It will explain that there's a one-time enrollment fee of $19.99 added to your first order. And again, my website explains about that. This is a one-time only fee, and once you are a VIP, you're a VIP for life, and you get all those goodies and perks and discounts and freebies. Okay, so that's going to go onto your first order. And it's going to explain what the requirements are, but I'm going to show you that each screen has a little prompt on it, so you'll know what to do next. So we're going to click Join Now. And here we see that something is coming up indicating our flash sale. And this particular one is get something for $20 out of a select list when we spend $60 as VIP. And there's a little freebie mirror there. Okay. So generally when there's a flash sale and you're getting something discounted or something free, you need to go ahead and do what it says the minimum VIP order threshold amount is, and then you can put those other things in your shopping cart. So let's just say we're going to go to bestsellers. And we've already figured out that we want that fabulous oil that everybody talks about to do overnight oil treatments once or twice a week. So we're going to put that in our cart. So now our prompt says, pick your $20 item. Again, every flash sale is different. This is a really good one. So let's say that my hair quiz indicated that I need the intense repair products for hair growth because my hair is really thinning. So I'm going to get that treatment that goes on morning and night and will help my hair to grow. So I've added that to my cart. Now it's showing me that I get my free little gift mirror. So we're adding that. Now at the bottom it says next is the only for you. Again, on my website it's going to explain what the only for you is. I put that on there to show you what the selections are each month. That's your freebie for a new VIP order or a Flagship order. You get the free only for you products. So click that button. Now this is just a little something extra that pops up. These are called the gratitude products. We don't always have them on the website, but there happens to be one going on right now where 100% of the profits are donated to charity. But we're going to skip that by just clicking the next button. And we still see the only for you down there. So we're going to click that again. And now we see we qualify to get our little only for you freebie. So tough choices, but my hair quiz said I could do that, let's say. So I'm adding that one. I added it to the cart. Next, create future flagship order. And my website will explain that. Don't stress over the Flagship. It's not a forced monthly auto ship. It's not like that. It's just to help you not run out of things. So the first thing you'll do is put a date in there. Today is February 25th. We're going to bump this out a couple of months. And I'm going to monitor this Flagship date for you and be in touch with you so that we can see if you want to order something else, or you want to change what you put in the Flagship order, or you want to bump it out. You can keep bumping it out, bumping out the date, so don't stress over it. So we've set our Flagship date, and then you need to add an item or items, $84 worth, into your Flagship. So just to make it simple, let's say we went crazy on that oil and we want another one. You're probably not actually going to do that, but anyway. We put the oil in the cart. Next is account creation. So from this point, it's pretty easy. You just fill in your details. Billing and shipping, you're going to have free shipping as a VIP customer. And most orders are shipped by FedEx. Occasionally, if it's a really small package, they might send it by USPS, but almost always it's FedEx. So up here under the, you can keep track of your order history. I think you'll see this on your, you'll keep track of your order history. You can see where it's at in the fulfillment process, and you'll get an email when they've shipped it, along with your tracking number. So when you get that email and you click on that tracking link, it doesn't, it's not always instant that you have it tracked. It may say it's not found yet or something like that. It just, may take a little time for FedEx to pick up the package from the facility, but you'll have a tracking link, so you'll see when that's going to arrive at your doorstep. So it's pretty easy. Just follow the prompts on the screen. If it's a flash sale, just see what the requirement is, and don't forget your little bonuses. Don't forget your little only for you freebie. And again, I'm here for you if you need any help. You'll start getting emails after you've enrolled as a VIP. Where are my emails? I have too many emails. You will get notifications when there's a flash sale. And so I noticed on Fridays when there's a flash sale, it's usually a little bit after 9 o'clock a.m. Central Time when we start seeing those emails. This one was a little bit early today. But you'll get the emails that'll show you our goodies. Our flash sales are so good. So be sure to get on my email list as well. That website is solutionsbygibson.com. And make sure that you enter your details, and there will be a confirmation email. Email is my primary way of keeping in touch with my customers. So be sure you do that, and you'll get links to my website where you can go back and keep reviewing information. I'm a little bit slow today, so I don't have the flash sale up here yet under my special deals tab. So I kind of get on it. So anyway, I hope that's clear how to enroll yourself as a VIP customer. And if you have any questions or need any help, I'm here for you. All right.